Hello all, welcome to Tasty Buds. I'm Ramya here. Today I'm going to show you all how to make Parupu Rasam. To make Parupu Rasam, all you need is tur dal of 1 cup, red chilies 2 to 3, curry leaves, coriander leaves, garlic, 1 tomato, half a tablespoon of jeera, half a tablespoon of peppercorn as a fodita. So I'm going to cook the dal and the rice in the cooker for 2 to 3 whistles along with tomato and turmeric. Once it's well cooked, I will show the other ingredients to make a powder. So stay tuned and watch the Tasty Bud channel. So I have added dal into the cooker along with 1 tomato. So I am doing it for the 1 person. So you can increase the amount according to the members. So I am going to wash thoroughly and cook it. So it's well washed. Now I am adding turmeric as a fodita. Since we are running under COVID, it is better to consume pepper, jeera into all dishes to protect ourselves from all these pandemic diseases. So while consuming this, it keeps our body by not attacking any other inflammatory diseases. We can protect ourselves. So into the kadai, I am adding now peppercorns, jeera, curry leaves. I am just frying it well without oil into the kadai. I am doing this for 1 person, so you can increase the amount of pepper, jeera and dal according to the members. You can also add rasam powder. Since I am not adding rasam powder, this is pepper rasam. So I am dry roasting it and powder it. So the pepper and jeera is well roasted here. It has changed its color. So I'm going to powder it. You can add also garlic for the fragrance, 1 or 2. It is optional. I have powdered pepper and jeera well, coarsely. Do not powder too much. So it should be in a coarse form so that it gives a good flavor to the rasam. I am adding the tamarind to give a tangy flavor. So into the cup I have taken tamarind. So I am going to squeeze all the tamarind juices and add them to the dal. So my dal is well cooked here. So smash on the tomatoes with the spatula. Just press it. If you have a blender at your home, you can just blend with it. Just one blend after the dal cools. Now I am adding rasam powder, which has been powdered well. This rasam can be made by anybody. Even the bachelors can make themselves. Coriander powder, we also consume rasam and as well as dal. So both the qualities are there, as well as protein and gives the digestion. Follow the procedures how I do. you will get an excellent rasam, tamarind juice. So adding the tamarind juice is your choice. You can increase and decrease to the required tamarind. You can increase and decrease the flavor. Along, I am also adding red chilies. Now I am adding red chilies, 2 red chilies, which is finely cut half and half. You can increase and decrease the tamarind juice according to the tanginess. So I am adding rock salt. Rock salt. This rock salt is bit low in iodine and saltiness, so I am adding bit more, and add half a glass of water to it. The rasam should well cook, so I am allowing it to cook now onto the open lid. Let it cook well. So I am allowing it to boil. Let it boil well so that all the fragrance out of this come out. Then I will add mustard, jeera. Our rasam is ready now. It is well cooked and into the boiling stage. The essence and the curry leaves, pepper, jeera has been emitted well into the rasam. We can have this rasam if you have any indigestion or illness. This is an ideal rasam to make. So now it's time to season along with some few drops of oil and mustard. So into the pan of 1 teaspoon of oil, I am adding mustard. The mustard has been added and I will be garnishing it. So our beautiful rasam is ready. So this is ideal rasam for all the family members, especially for the persons who are into ill, bachelors, indigestion. So you can prepare this just in 15 minutes. Very easy to make. Please follow the procedures which I am showing it to you. Like, share and subscribe to my Tasty Bud channel. Shortly I will be releasing another channel into Kannada that will be mentioned soon. Thank you.